It's time to discuss about the abstract classes and the abstract methods in PHP. Like C and C++, abstract class are the classes in which at least one method is abstract. So abstract classes in PHP are declared with the help of abstract keyword, and we will discuss about it. Now, what that means, I'm going to comment this so you can easily get the code. Now, I'm saying I have abstract class. Abstract, now class. I'm saying this. So this is the abstract class. You can write XYZ and anything else. Now I'm saying abstract function my method. Sorry, you cannot declare this. Now you have abstract class and you have at least one method. If you define another method, function, or suppose my method 2. So this is the second method. Make sure second method. This is the abstract method, and this is the regular method. Okay. Now, if I extend this, for suppose I have another class, child class, or if I say that child class, child, and I extends base class. Now I also implement this method. I'm saying that function my method. So as you can see, I have just implemented this method, echo working. Now go to the page, refresh the page. Sorry, it's method, my method. This is my method. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page. It's fine. You have to use the object. I'm saying I'm going to create the instance of the class. Now I'm saying obj. Now I should say the object. Okay, it's saying working. So you have one abstract class and you have at least one abstract method. So in abstract class you must have one abstract method. So in this way you can use the abstract class and abstract method. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other things. So thank you for watching.